Hello, all. It's Eru here. I've just written a blog post, Passive Income Online. So, if you're looking for passive income, then this should interest you. Or if you know anyone that is looking, basically, I just take you quickly through what passive income is for those who don't already know what it is, and then recommended passive income. Sometimes we think we need to join an affiliate company. That is down the road or in the next town over, or sign up for multi-level marketing, but that's not the case with the advancement of social media. We can do all these things online. So obviously you do need to find the right one to sign up with, because you do need membership, because we know that things that are free don't really give you the information, the tools and resources you need. So you go through it, you find out what I recommend, what you should be looking out for when you're going online to create a passive income, or in your bid to do this. Even if you are an affiliate, you need to know how to market and promote the product or service that you already have, and then where to start. You'll find a button at the very end after I've given you my recommendation, my experience, and then you take it there, see for yourself. I personally have been able to benefit using this system to promote and market myself, my products and services, and so many other people have too. If you click on the link, you'll be taken to information showing you about other people, what they've benefited from having joined, the training, the insights, things you can do with the tools and resources that you have here. So do go over to my link and do take action today. Take care. Bye.